Do you want to make a difference in the world? If so, I can help you make that happen. Hello, I'm Roger Killen. Since 2013, I've spent over 10,000 hours supporting experts make a difference in the world with their fresh ideas. These 10,000 hours of experience have convinced me that the likelihood of a difference maker's idea flying or dying is heavily influenced by 4 drivers. These are your idea, your reach, your impact, and your resources. Let's examine the 4th of these drivers, your resources. You need 3 types of resources to sustain your difference-making journey: time, money, and brand power. Let's take a look at time first. You must be ready, willing, and able to spend a lot of time walking your difference-making journey. The more time you spend, the faster it will go. You can accelerate the speed of your journey by winning the support of influencers. Imagine the impact on your idea if you appeared on Jimmy Kimmel Live, The Tonight Show, The Late Show, The Oprah Winfrey Show, or The Ellen DeGeneres Show. Now let's take a look at money. As a committed difference maker, you'll incur all sorts of expenses. These will relate to the cost of developing your idea, your skills, marketing, video production, communications, advisors, printing, health and wellness, travel and clothing, to name but a few. Being able to cover these costs enables your difference-making journey to continue. No money, no journey. Not enough money, and you'll feel like you're constantly pushing a big rock up a very steep hill. There are 5 likely sources of money. They are your savings, a loan, a government program, sponsors, and sales. Tapping into your savings, taking out a loan, and securing support under a government program are well-beaten paths for difference makers. A road less well-traveled for difference makers is securing the support of sponsors. Sponsorship is a win-win marketing relationship. Established businesses and brands might like to sponsor different aspects of your difference-making journey for their own self-interested reasons. For example, they might like to introduce their brand to your audiences by having you drive traffic to their website, their social media channels, or their bricks and mortar stores. Or they might want to introduce your brand to their audiences to send a message about shared values, futuristic thinking, or community involvement. At this point, I need to declare a conflict of interest. My company, Get Inspired Talks, provides skill training in this area. For further information, go to the URL you see in the slide and click on the course called How to Attract Sponsors. Attracting the right sponsors is the result of a smart, strategic, and sustained marketing campaign and relationship building on your part. And it's crucial that you do it right. When it bears fruit, oh boy, it's time for you to do your happy dance. The 5th source of money, sales, kicks in when your difference-making journey is well underway. Your inspiring talk, much-watched video, and often downloaded ebook all act to position you as a go-to expert. This opens up the opportunity for you to earn fees from clients and speaking gigs, and revenue from the sale of online courses and books. You can leverage your time and money. As discussed earlier, one way to do that is through influencers. Another way is by association with big-name sponsors. There is a 3rd way. That way is for you to build your own brand as you roll out your idea. As a difference maker, you are a brand that provides a unique experience that distinguishes you from others in the eyes of everyone you touch on your journey. If you are a successful brand, everything about your journey becomes easier. Volunteers come to you, an entourage forms around you, suppliers give you freebies and discounts, and people come out of the woodwork to do you favors. To be a successful brand, you must be intentional about the experience you deliver and make it consistent at every touch point. Start by walking, talking, acting, thinking, looking, and feeling like the difference maker, action taker, and movement leader that you are. This completes my thoughts on the fourth of the 4 drivers that determine if your idea will fly or die. This 5-video playlist has been made in response to the gut-wrenching disappointments I have felt many times since 2013, when I produced the first TEDx Stanley Park event. The source of these disappointments are the amazing ideas that could have changed lives and could have helped humanity, but didn't. Instead, they fizzled and died. It doesn't have to be this way. If you harness the power of the 4 drivers that determine the likelihood of your idea flying or dying, you'll inspire early adopters to launch a movement and influencers to support this movement. And when this movement goes mainstream, you'll make the difference you want to make, and you'll fully realize your life's potential. Imagine the feeling. For the last time, Roger and out.